it's no longer shells of seafood. Wait. Ang available po na Procosa dito ay hindi pa po yung upgraded. So coming soon, next attraction po siya. Abangan. No, pero yun na po yung nakalagay sa Ask the Scientist. So kanina nga po I asked, pina-confirm ko, if they are already launching this one. Wala yung corporate pharmacist, so hindi namin na-verify. But if this is true and i-release na to dito, this will be a great news.
Yes.
Kasi people who are arthritic and are allergic to seafood, pwede na mag-take ng Procosa. Kasi fungus na yung pinagkukunan. It's like, ito siya, para siyang wart. Fungus mo yan, fungus. Fungus siya. So, ano siya, it's technically parang a plant, so pwede na siya sa vegetarians. Even vegetarians now can take Procosa. The good lady who introduced me kanina, Miss Tess Bolima, she's a vegetarian. And one of her frustration nga is she can't recommend Procosa to people she knows kasi nga it comes from shells ng seafood. Pero now, this is good, this is a great news, so abangan natin to, very pangpadagdag na naman sa points nyo. Kasi mas marami nang pwedeng mag-take. And because ganyan siya, people with gouty arthritis can now also take Procosa. Okay? Kasi before, up to now, since seafood pa yung source niya, I do not advise it for people whose arthritis is the gouty type. Gouty meaning mataas ang uric acid level. Okay? Kasi po, seafood-based product also triggers uric acid levels. So for now, for gouty arthritis, you give essentials, proflavanol and biomega will be good for them. If medyo malala, you give Hepacil. Okay? But do not give Procosa. Kasi nga po, seafood shell pa. Okay? Pero pag na-launch na yung upgraded Procosa, pwede na. Pwede na. Okay? And with the upgraded Procosa, because it's more bioavailable, pwede nang i-take na lang 1 to 3 tabs instead of the 4 tablet. Kasi mas bioavailable na siya. Okay? So, that's the great news. And then, baka meron kasing i-discuss na natin. The glucosamine in the Procosa now, old Procosa, it's glucosamine sulfate. Glucosamine sulfate is actually the best form of glucosamine. Pero it comes from seashells. So what USANA did, ang glucosamine ng aspergillus, ng fungus, is glucosamine hydrochloride. Ang ginawa niya, kinilate na naman niya. Kinilate niya to potassium sulfate and magnesium sulfate. Ang equivalent ngayon niyan is glucosamine sulfate. So, parehas na. Kasi baka may mamiloso po sa inyo, hindi naman yan magandang glucosamine eh. Sino may sabi? Sabi Dr. Myron Vince, magaling to eh. Because of this. Okay? Kasi hindi lang tayo glucosamine hydrochloride. Kinilate. Para maging katumbas ng glucosamine sulfate. So, same. Same benefit. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, next slide po natin. Pabalik po. Pabalik. So, another great news, yung curcumin sa Procosa is now called Meriva curcuminoid complex. Nosebleed. Okay. Explain natin. Merong technology, I think, developed by Italian scientists. I'm not sure. Pero nakipag-tie up ang USANA with a scientific group, an institution in Italy, to develop this compound. Ang ginawa nila, yung curcumin, binalot in a fat-soluble covering. Kasi, mas well-absorbed ang curcumin kapag ganun siya. Ganun siya prepare. So, ang mangyari ngayon, yung bioavailability ng curcumin tumaas 10 times more.
Wow.
So, mas marami ka ngayong curcumin na nagagamit. Which is good news, especially for arthritic patients kasi they're always in pain. So, mas higher ang bioavailability ng curcumin, the better for their pain management. Okay? So, let's look forward to the upgraded Procosa. It's a great product. Hopefully, ma-launch na siya dito. Okay, our next slide. So, basically, what is glucosamine? Glucosamine is, it's a complex of protein peptides. It makes your joint, tawag dito, nag-develop ulit, nagre-repair. Nakakapag-produce ulit yung body mo ng structure for your joints. That's basically glucosamine. Kasi pag osteoarthritic ang patients, ang nagiging problem dyan, yung cartilage ng joint nila na ninipis. So, nagkakaskasan buto sa buto. So, important na maibalik mo yung covering na yun. Okay, and that is glucosamine. At the same time, glucosamine itself has anti-pain property. Kaya maganda siya sa arthritic patients. Kaya rin siya mabilis ang effect. Okay, next po. Okay? So basically you give Procosa to people who have joint problems or arthritic patient, rheumatoid arthritic patient. You can give them this kasi joint problems sila. SLE, lupus. You give Procosa. Why? Kasi in lupus, your body is attacking your joints. Lupus patient, isa sa nagiging problem nila, they develop rheumatoid arthritis. So you can give Procosa. Okay? Maganda yan for them. For people who have yung mga slip disc problem, Procosa is very good. Yung mga anything injury that's related with bones and joints, you give active calcium and Procosa. They work hand in hand. It will repair the problem. I had one na nirecomendan ko siya. She's a slip disc patient siya. And then she was already evaluated for surgery. Kasi end stage na daw yung kanyang slip disc. Ibig sabihin, alam mo yung spine niya din, yung slip disc lumusot na gano'n. Parang burger, tapos yung burger patty lumusot. Kulang na lang pag kinagat mo gano'n, hila mo yun yung burger patty. Imagine mo gano'n. Okay. So, sabi ko, ni-recommend ko, Essentials, Procosa, Active Calcium, Prop C. And then, I think 2 weeks to a month after taking it, a week after, na-manage na yung pain niya. Kaya na daw niya yung pain niya. Then, a month after, she went back for evaluation and surgery was no longer indicated. Wow! So, can you imagine kung you save that person from unnecessary pain and expense? Okay? So, if you know anyone na mga ganyan ng problem, ito yung product to give. Very fast acting. Our next product naman. Sige. Next. Okay. Pabalik po. Ito yung nakita kong isang comparison. I saw this. It compared the effect of curcumin and NSAID. NSAID, yung mga painkiller. The orange bar, that's your curcumin. Okay? Yung black bar, that's the NSAID. So for 5 days, binigyan nila yung mga patient na arthritic patient ng 400 milligrams ng curcumin, then yung isang group binigyan ng NSAID. Ang nakita is that more than 10 times ang lakas ng curcumin in managing pain than compared to the NSAID without the side effect of causing hyperacidity. Okay? So, if may kakilala kayo who's always in pain, you can give Procosa and Hepasil. Lalo na pag dumating talaga yung upgraded, pwedeng painkiller na talaga yung Procosa kasi hindi ka na mag-worry about yung allergic reactions. Okay? Unless may allergy pala dun sa fungus. O yun nga lang. Pero may proclavanol naman. So, okay. Next turn po. Next. Vision X. Okay.